Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that happy. Oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye. And I love you so, and I want
I'm gonna be single forever.
Be careful.
Whoa, dude, what is that thing?
What is it?
Why are you here? What do you want?
Yeah, what do you want?
Yeah,
what are you here?
No way.
No one invited you.
You're not
dude.
welcome.
This is our space.
We don't just show up at your home acting weird.
Yeah, quit being so weird.
Why's it being so weird?
Stop being so weird.
Say something! Dogs.
The fuck?
What?
To watch relatives get murdered. Reporters point out that both Chicagoland agencies are taxpayer funded and say they're doing the best.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy.